So in this video, we're going to be discussing the LOW-PRO Rigid Rail series. We've got a few options laid out on the table in front of us. There's a lot of different lengths in this series, so obviously just pick the length that fits your application. We've got all the tools laid out as well. The rail includes a 17/4 stainless steel barrel nut, as well as a custom Griffin Armament wrench, which is really robust and has a lot of multi-tool features on there. Also comes with 4 T15 fasteners, an L key, as well as a sling swivel Picatinny mount there. So those are all the inclusions, plus blue Loctite it comes with, which is an optional thing that you can use. So that's all the inclusions. The tools that you're going to want to have on hand is a vise, a suitable block to grip your firearm parts, and then also a needle drive torque wrench style. This is what we prefer. You could use whatever torque wrench you have, but we like these. And then also an inch-pound wrench, which the Wheeler products work really good for this. The Wheeler Fat Wrench, it's a selectable inch-pound torque driver. The L key that it comes with, if you want to mount it with the blue Loctite, that'll probably work. But we like hitting those torque specs, and so that's what we're going to do in this installation video. So stay tuned. We're going to start the installation process of the rail system. You first start with fixturing your rifle in a suitable vise with a non-marring block fixture, such as this. Then you'd take your barrel, you'd slip fit that into the upper receiver, and then you would take the 17/4 stainless steel barrel nut and screw it into place, just by hand. Then using the Griffin Armament tool, which has a lot of different features on there, but we're going to be using the 3-prong geometry on this side and the 3/8 inch drive hole with our needle drive torque wrench. And we're going to want to torque this to the specified 55 inch-pound minimum rating. So this is really easy. Boom, 55 inch-pounds, got it. All right, next you're gonna wanna install your gas block and gas tube. Okay, this is a little assembly. This does not come with the rail, but Griffin Armament does manufacture this product. You can purchase it from us, or there's a variety of different people that make this type of stuff. But this is a 17/4 stainless steel phosphated part, I believe, and high quality gas block. It allows you to set screw it into place and also pin it if you want additional security for mounting. So once you have the barrel mounted, you're just going to kind of gently wiggle this into place, slide it over and into place. There are, on Griffin barrels and a lot of different barrels, there are dimples for your set screws. So the Griffin barrels have dimples for set screws on there. That's going to automatically locate those set screws for you, so it's going to make the installation pretty easy. So on Griffin factory firearms and uppers, we will actually install the tapered pin here in the gas block just as added security in case these fasteners back out on you, these small fasteners that secure your gas block. We do have a lot of users in the field that are not using the tapered pin and they're not having problems, but it's just added security and that comes with a factory firearm. So once you have your barrel system installed, the nut is torqued to 55 inch-pounds, your gas block and gas tube assembly are in place, now you're ready to put the rail on. So this is very easy now with the new series that we have here. It's just a pinch rail system where you just slide it right on, visually kind of line it up with the top rail so that it's nice and contiguous. Make sure it's set into place properly, and then using a selectable torque driver like this Wheeler Fat Wrench here, you're going to adjust this to 25 inch-pounds and we're going to install those. So we have the rail installed. The fasteners are not torqued yet. I just kind of lightly installed them by hand, and then we're going to be torquing it. Just food for thought, the rail system does come with blue Loctite. However, you don't need to use this if you don't want to. It is added security, but as long as you hit that manufacturer specified torque rating of 25 inch-pounds, you're not gonna have any problems with this. So I personally would not use it, but if you want to, go ahead. So the last step pretty much is just to torque to 25 inch-pounds, and then you're pretty much finished. And so we're gonna do that just sequentially, front to rear. It doesn't really matter which ones you do first. We've done some testing on that, and the rails don't seem to really walk around depending on which one you're going to be doing first. So there you have it. The rail's installed. There are no anti-rotation features or geometry on the rail, as you may have noticed. This is a very clean, slick rail, and those 4 fasteners give us tons of torque resistance, so that even if you're muscling the hell out of this rail, you're not going to twist it or anything like that. So you can have confidence in this product just like every other Griffin product out there that you've used or you've seen. And that is the install of the rail. Super easy, only takes a few minutes, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. Definitely check out our newsletter, sign up for that if you haven't. Also like us on Instagram, Facebook, and if you want more information on the Griffin LOW-PRO Rails, check out griffinarmament.com, and thank you for watching.